Hey everyone, Jim with Evolution Power Sports. Today we want to talk about TAPP clutches and the successes that we had at the Sand Outlaws series, the last race. We finished first in mod, undefeated, second in Outlaw, second in Dooner, third in Dooner. All four of those cars had TAPP clutches, okay? And I think a lot of the racers have, some of the racers anyway, have abandoned the TAPP clutch. And you know, I don't know if it's that they don't know how to set them up or what, but you know, we've done a lot of R&D on, you know, not only calibrations, but you know, our own ramp profiles, and really have, you know, tried to push the limit of what can be done with a TAPP clutch for racing. So for duning, for best in the desert, TAPP clutch is a great clutch. But you know, in the sand drags, I think we're the only ones that are really running the TAPP clutch in the Sand Outlaws series, and you know, you can see the results. We've also spent a lot of time developing specific calibrations for all of our kits, everything from stock turbo X3 all the way up to like a DS 420, 450, and for the Polaris XPT Pro XP. So we've got great calibrations. We spent, I don't know, 3-4 months just doing different calibrations with different launch settings, different tire configurations. So we have all of that in a spreadsheet so that when you buy a TAPP clutch from us, it's going to come calibrated, ready to go, 95%. If you need a TAPP clutch, you need some help getting a TAPP clutch set up, you know, check us out, come talk to one of our sales staff. They'll be able to help get you dialed in.